Tell me, what is the quality, sir, that makes all the films that you have done so enduring, so long-lasting, and so wonderful?
That's a handful of questions to deal with. I think it's sheer good luck, perhaps a lot of hard work, honesty, togetherness, fellowship. And above all, yes, no actor can be bigger than the substance which he portrays. I mean the character, the story, the screenplay. And for any good or an enduring performance, Shah Rukh, you have to have a good story, good character equations, sound conflict, and enough opportunity for you to then wade through it. Because then you have substance to deal with, not just shadows.
Thank you, sir. I won't let you go. I want to know also, I have just mentioned to all the people here, and most of the people are from the films this side, and a lot of the fans, they know for sure that everybody has borrowed from Dilip Kumar as an actor. And why is it so easy to borrow from Dilip Kumar and so difficult or nearly impossible to return it back?
That's mischief. Well, we work, perform, we get appreciation, and so I personally feel that we work with the intent of doing a good job which was appreciated. So there is no question of the audience having borrowed anything. Actually, in fact, no transaction has taken place. So we can't say they borrowed or my fellow colleagues borrowed anything from me. And I cannot say that I have lent anything to anyone. We all come here, tread our own path, make our own mark with our own individual aptitude and meed of good luck, because that's the most important factor for the survival of an artist. I've been now over 50 years, and I cannot say that it is all because of the common sense that I exercised or the selectivity, choice. I think there is a lot to do with the one upstairs, up there, and His grace. So nobody owes anything. We are quits.
Okay, that's...
YouTube पर Googly न्यूज देखने के लिए youtube.com की सर्च बार में Googly न्यूज टीवी टाइप करें। Googly न्यूज के पेज पर सुर्ख रंग के सब्सक्रिप्शन वाले बटन पर क्लिक करना ना भूलिए। YouTube पेज पर अपलोड होने वाली वीडियोस से बाखबर रहने के लिए बेल आइकन पर क्लिक कीजिए। आपको हर नई वीडियो के बारे में नोटिफिकेशन मौसूल हो जाएगा।